everybody, it's the car meet guy here again with another video, but instead of doing a car meet this time, we're gonna be doing a review on pretty much a week 1 of Supreme. Oh man, a little update on me, but I got some braces today, so my speech might be a little weird, but I'll try to talk right. Also, for those of you that subscribe for my car videos, this Sunday we're doing a big car meet. This is like the biggest one in Southern California. It's called SoCal Euro. From everything European is gonna be there, and it's super dope. And I'm gonna record it when I get there. I'm gonna record the whole show, and I'll post up that. But in the meantime, for those of you that don't know, I am also starting to become a reseller now. So, little history on me and I guess the Hypebeast scene. Shout out to my little brother. So a year from now, he came home one day and he showed me Supreme, and he was trying to tell my parents that he wanted Supreme, and I kind of already knew what it was, but I wasn't really like into it because I thought, okay, it's impossible to get, and the prices are usually high if you do want to buy it, and when it was for resale. So he wanted a shirt. He showed me. I was like, oh wow, these shirts are actually cheap. It was the Hanes ones. So I eventually went out, got them myself, and that's pretty much what started me getting Supreme. Recently, I actually won a pair of off-white Prestos off the Nike sneakers app, and I sold them for $700, and that was pretty much the start of me reselling. So I got into Supreme, bought lots of Supreme for week 1. I know today was week 2 came out. I'll give you my thoughts on week 2 after. But a lot of Supreme came out. First off, one thing is everything is still in the package, so you're not going to be able to I'm not going to be able to unfold it or get extremely detailed into each shirt because I am also reselling, but there are 2 things here that I am keeping for myself, and we'll get into that when the time comes. So with all that said, let's get into the stuff I've ordered. So let me explain everything. For those of you that want to buy Supreme and want to know exactly what your order comes with, everything's gonna come with, let me see, with the sticker. These are the stickers right here. Let me look. Everything's gonna come with the stickers. I guess the Madonna and the Supreme, the box logo always comes with the order, because I didn't get the Madonna shirt. But whatever shirt you buy, a sticker will come with it. So I have the liquid font stickers. Then I somehow got the Guts. I didn't even buy the Guts shirt. I somehow got the Guts. And I got the Life Sucks one with the bear, which I did get the shirt for. And every order is gonna come with a little Supreme bouncy ball, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty much shipping right there, what you're paying for. So I already have all the hangs and everything, but I went out for reselling, bought more hangs. This is pretty basic. I'm pretty sure like every Hypebeast has these. They're not that expensive, and you actually get 4 boxers, not just 1. So that's it for that one. Another order I got a gray, I think this is the Heather gray large Life Sucks dye tee in the package still. I guess, boom, right there. On the teeth it says LSD, and it's pretty much just a picture of a bear. Pretty clean. Also, I want to say that anyone watching this and is actually interested in buying these, I will sell them to you at StockX price, but I will pay for the shipping. So whatever price you see in StockX at the time that it was worth, you can buy it for that price, and instead of paying the I think it's like $13.95 for shipping, I'll include the shipping. So So it's kind of a win-win because if I sell on StockX, I get free shipping, but I have to pay for fees. But if you buy it from me, you know, I skip the fees, but I have to pay for shipping. So it's kind of an even trade. So if you guys are interested in buying any of this stuff I'm gonna show you, leave comments down below. I also got a liquid tee in the navy colorway, size medium. This one kind of sucks. You kind of actually have to kind of see if it opened, but it is what it is because I'm a reseller, so can't be risking this. StockX ain't gonna accept that if it's open. Here is the shoulder bag. Now for this season shoulder bag, see, I don't like it too much. So to me, like when it kind of pops out, you know, right now it's obviously flat, but when you start putting stuff in it, I guess it kind of pops out into like a box shape, and to me that looks girly. I like the last seasons where it was kind of more flat and only as wide as the strap, but you could see this one you can't really. I think there is no diamond stitching on this one. Oh, it is in the back. Can't really see it, but there's diamond stitching in the back of this, just kind of like the yellow one. But these are cool. Usually go for high resale because everyone loves bags. Also, oh man, these braces. I got the waist bag, and this all goes for high resale too. To me, I don't like fanny packs, but you know, I got it for resale reasons, but no diamond stitching, but it does say Supreme in the back and in the front. Good resale value for the bag. So my last two things I got just came in the mail actually today. Oh, box cutters. Okay. Oh, also every Supreme, I forgot to show you. Every Supreme's gonna come with the bag. Small items come in this. When I got my bags, they came in a medium-sized one. It's pretty cool. And then there's even a large bag that I got from my duffel bag when I went to Supreme last season. I actually went to the actual store, but I only live an hour away from the Supreme in LA. So I think this is. I don't want to squish it too much. I only ordered 3 shirts. Oh, well, let's gotta open and see. I don't know what I bought anymore. What did I tell you? Every order is gonna come in a bag like this. Oh man, oh, the utility bag. Is it? Yeah. Oh, there it is, the utility bag, and box logo stickers and a bouncy ball again. These are not for sale. I'm keeping all the bouncy balls and stickers. That shit's dope. I actually like the bouncy ball a lot. The utility bag. So I call this the makeup bag because it's clear. It says Supreme and it's clear. Both sides. It looks like no, there's no diamond stitch on this one. It's pretty much like those little bags they used to have like in high school or middle school where you just put all your pencils and pens in. To me, this is like what girls would put with brushes, so I usually call this a makeup bag. Pretty cool though, I guess, if you want to store stuff at all your pencils and pens at school and you want to look hypebeast as hell. This one. So let's see what we got here. Oh, let's see. Okay, never got a Supreme package with a box. In a box. This is new. Oh shit. Excuse me about this. Totally forgot. My package, I did get a hat. 7/1/4 fitted hat, Supreme, mixed with the 5950. Really clean hat. I actually really like it. I don't wear fitted. I wear dad hats, and Supreme is like very low quantity with when it comes to the dad has. Like the only one I've ever seen they made was the Coast collab. That was like the only one. I don't really like Lacoste, so I'm not gonna really rock that. I forgot about the hat. So back to the box. Oh, another bag. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Boom. This one, I think I would rock this hat, to be honest. It's a camp hat. Pretty dope. Pretty flimsy. Leather strap. It says Supreme on it. Right here at the end of the strap. Pretty nice. I like it. Box logo in the front. It's pretty dope. And let's see. Oh, new stickers. I have not seen these ones. Okay. These stickers have the, I can't really move it, but behind the bottle cap it says the Supreme FU, like the T. Those are new. I've never seen these stickers yet. I think I got the whole collection already of stickers. And then the bouncy ball. This is a box. Inside a box. Professional box cutter. I did work at Ross at the warehouse, and I was a bag packer. So I cut boxes and pack stuff. So I'm a professional packer. Boom. Even from Ross. Another bag. Oh my god, dude. I'm about to be using things for Halloween or something. Boom. First accessory. And another sticker. And a bouncy ball. Like everything else. Nothing new. This, I'm gonna open this right now. This is what I'm not selling this. Okay, I'm just reading it. It's pretty dope. Okay, boom, comes with a spoon on top. Is that thermos? Says 9 hours of heat, 14 hours of cold, vacuum insulated. Supreme sticker all around. Gotta figure out. Oh, there it is. God damn it. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. It's already open. That was for the spoon. Okay. Why do I feel like this is like so foreign to me? It's just a thermos. Oh my god, it's so tiny. So I also want to go a little more detail with the. Here it is, right here. Lid's open. It's pretty dope. Ooh, the spoon. The spoon's clean. The other item I'm keeping for myself, besides the thermos, is a beanie. To me, this is actually pretty practical because for people in my family know that during the winter time, I dress like a normal California person. Like, you know, I wear shorts, socks and sandals, a shirt like this, and no beanie, no jacket, no nothing. And I usually get sick like twice during the winter because I'm just out when it's stormy and raining and it's cold. So, you know, maybe this will encourage me to wear a beanie. It has the box logo on it, right there in the back, and the front says Supreme, but it's like bedazzled. I didn't really see that. You know, there's a lot of detail like online that you don't really see. Like the FU shirt actually had a cigarette where the F was, like where the fingers was like holding a cigarette, which is like a little detail that I really didn't see online, but when you see it in person, it's different. Same thing goes with even the teddy bear where it said LSD on the teeth. Not the teddy bear, the bear on the shirt. Forgot the teddy bear is actually in a whole nother item, but I think I'm gonna keep it because I saw the beanies for week 2 and I don't like them that much. So I don't like when they have Supreme on here, but I'd rather have it on here. So looks clean. I'm gonna for sure keep this. So that's pretty much it for week 1. Week 2 was today. I didn't really cop too much because they're already saying this is it's barely week 2 and they're already saying this is the worst week of the whole season. So I only got the red Nike SB shoes. Not red, but I got the black colorway Nike SB shoes, size 11, and those would be for resale. Hopefully I don't take an L on those. The off-whites were crazy, dude. I got crazy profits off the off-white. Crazy profits off that. I also bought a skateboard, but I'm using that for, I'll unbox that, but I'm using that for personal reasons because I like to skate. You know, I'm actually one of those, I guess you could say a Hypebeast, that actually skates, because I'm pretty sure I'm out there. There's probably, out of everyone that buys Supreme, I'm pretty sure maybe 90% of the people don't know how to skate, and it's a skating brand. And I've always been skating my whole life. I've always been to active. Never really skated Supreme or anything. I'm gonna try it out. Sunday is the car meet. It's not gonna be a takeover or anything crazy. It's gonna be all legal, all exotic, tight. There's gonna be drag racing, but it's all legal. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool. Next video will probably be that, and for sure, the next Supreme I get in the mail, and we'll wait till week 3. So, peace out.